Mga katrip, pumunta kami sa DNN Cafe last September 27 to 28, located sa dating Times Square SBMA. Dito ginanap ang shoe showcase exhibit, collaboration ng DNN Cafe at ng Angel Shoe Lab. May promo sila for 300 pesos, may coffee na at basic cleaning ng mga sapatos. Madami din mga hype shoes na nakadisplay dito at pwede rin kayong bumili. Located ang Angel Shoe Lab sa Rizal Avenue Extension, katapat ng Olongapo City National High School, malapit sa kanto ng 14th Street. Pwede kayong magpa-shoe cleaning, shoe restoration, at shoe customized paint. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng mga sapatos or magpahanap ng mga shoes na gusto nyo. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng Angel Shoe Lab Kit at meron din silang branch sa Castillejos. Dito sa DNN Cafe, napaka-cozy ng place, very welcoming yung atmosphere, warm yung ambience, perfect para makapag-banding kayo ng family and friends mo. Habang nagkukwentuhan, may masarap pa na kape.
Shoes free, man. Honestly, I mean, that's the whole idea of the concept of the cafe. Let me introduce you my friend Ace, by the way.
Hello.
He's a tattoo artist. He helped us out cooperate on this event this weekend. You can have a look. He will continue to custom made some shoe. I don't know if you check it out up there. And he's also the artist who helped me beautification of the place there.
Okay.
You see all the artwork on it?
Yeah.
There, it's all on him. We did that together a couple of months ago.
It's nice.
So to continue to give the vibe, you know, from inside to outside,
You will
around
paint
everything.
more?
Actually, don't spoil it, but we have still one white wall in the back. We still kind of brainstorm the team because the idea was to having something about music, sport, and art.
Yeah.
That was kind of the team, you know, of the design all around. So that side, like, is art and music. Then we have the dancer on the other side. Then we have the sport.
Maganda ka dyan, be. Alisan mo na alam. Kuya, ayos.
Isa pa.
Sasakpan na lang yung one more.
1, 2, 3. Nahihain.
Mga lima po na. Yeah! I wanted 2,000. Nakso, may exposure ka din. Travis pa na. Madami na maglalit niya para.
Bilhin mo na yan.
New owner. Oo nga din. Bibilin mo na. 120. Dating 150. Pinagdasan ka. Sana mabili kita sooner. Nagadik na nagadik. Sandro, swap mo na.
Ha? Huwag, dinidemonya niyo ako. Ano?
Mark, swap daw sa'yo bang pesa? Swap daw asawa. Pinagpalit sa swap. Nasa iba.
Angel Shoe Lab.
Ano po yan? Kasi ano po design yan? Kuya, dito sa
Ay! Nabili na yan eh. 120 to 122 40.
nabili na.
Dalawa yan, 240.
Nabili na daw.
Bili na sa akin,
Bibili pa lang.
Nakastress naman po.
Down ka 120, babalik pa.
Building daw eh. Bili mo 150.
Hello po, shoutout po sa New Friends family.
Mga katrip, for more videos, you can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok at Instagram. Hanggang sa mga susunod na trip natin. Tara, trip tayo!